So as some of you will already know, I purchased the Roadmap 3.0 last Friday. Okay, so if you are someone who's been looking at the Roadmap 3.0 as an option, then listen up, because this is going to maybe be the game changer for you in actually taking action and getting off that fence and actually purchasing a product that can change your life. And to be honest, I value this course so highly. For the price point, I cannot recommend it highly enough. So on the back of that, I've thrown myself into this and I've created some bonuses for my customers that you get from me when you purchase Roadmap. Take a look. Okay, so here's the bonus bundle I put together for customers who join me on Roadmap 3.0. Okay, so the first one here is my one-to-one consultation. I'm going to give you the Zoom call and we're going to have a chat, sit down, get you started. Any questions you have for me can be answered on that Zoom call. And bonus 2 is going to be, I've put together it's a 10 times video course for Facebook traffic strategies. Okay, that's yours, completely free. Instagram Mastery for Beginners. That's an ebook that you can have. There's my ebook that I've created myself, and I'm going to give you that, the edited version, so you can take out all of my links and replace them with your own links, so you can use that as your very own lead magnet. Okay, that's yours as well. I'm going to give you lifetime access to me via Messenger, so you're not on this journey alone. I'm always going to be there for you, 100%. And I'm also going to give you this bonus page that you can use this for your own marketing, and you can just edit out the links again to your own links, and I'll share this with you via the system.io autoresponder system that we use. So I hope that helps make your decision a little bit easier, okay, for you to realize that you're not alone doing this. This course is amazing, and with these bonuses, you're not alone. The community in itself with the Roadmap anyway is another level. So you've got so much support here, guys, okay? The Roadmap community, the Roadmap course, and you've got me. With all those bonuses, you're not alone. So if you want an online business that you can develop your own brand with, drop yes in comments, and I'll send you the details, or simply go to the link in my bio, and I'll see you there.